Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 8.0.41 on Rocky Linux 9 versions. First open any web browser, also open terminal, go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com, hit enter, click on downloads, then scroll down, click on MySQL community downloads, then select the MySQL community server. See here we have to select the versions. See here we have the versions 9.2.0, 8.4.4, 8.0.41. So I am going to install 8.0.41. Okay, select it. But for you at the time of installation, if you are unable to find this version, click on archives. There you will find all versions, all older versions. Then select operating systems. See here we don't have Rocky Linux. So select Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Then select the version. Select RHEL 9. Then once you selected, it populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be installed. But instead of downloading each package, just download the first one, that is RPM bundle. So click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. Wait a moment, see download started and its size is 892 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, we will install the MySQL 8.0.41. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory. See, this is the tar file. So we have to untar this file. tar-xf. With the MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire tar file name and hit enter. ls, see here we have the list of the RPM packages. We have to install these packages to install the MySQL 8.0.41. So install sudo rpm -ivh no deps, then star.rpm. Hit enter. See, now it is installing MySQL Server 8.0.41. See, we have successfully installed MySQL 8.0.40. First verify the status of the MySQL server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL d. Hit enter. See, MySQL server is installed but it is not started. So let us start it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL d. MySQL d is the service name for the MySQL server. Hit enter. This typo. Hit enter. Again check the status. See, MySQL service is active and running. Okay, Q to quit. Now we will connect to MySQL server. But to connect MySQL server, we must have the root account password. We can get the temporary root account password by going to cd var log ls. See here we have the MySQL d.log. So we can get the temporary password. More MySQL .log grep, then give the password. We must give this with sudo. See, this is the temporary password. Okay, so copy this one. Now run the secure installation. MySQL _secure installation. Hit enter. Now it is asking enter password for user root. So we have to copy this password. Okay, but this password is not same for you. Hit enter. Now we have to set the password for the admin account. Confirm the same. Change password for root. No. Type n. Remove anonymous users. Yes. Disallow root login remotely. No. remove test users, yes, table privileges, yes, all done. So you have to remember the password whatever we have set now. Okay, now MySQL -u root -p, then provide the password that we have set. See, I have successfully connected to MySQL server version 8.0.41. We can also verify the version by running the command select version command. See, we have connected to MySQL server 8.0.41. Now verify the list of the databases that comes with MySQL installation. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create a database. Verify again. See, new database is created. Now go to this database by using the command use. Then verify list of tables. We don't have any tables, so let us create a table. Show tables. See, here we have one table. Let us insert some data into this table. Let us verify the data. See, we have inserted these two rows. Okay. Now create a user. Before that, verify the list of the users. Show users. See, we can't get the users information by using this command. So we can get the user information by running select user from MySQL.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Now create user, create user. Okay, we have successfully created. Verify again. See, we have created user. Now exit and connect MySQL by using this new user. My username is James-P. Then provide the password of this user. We have successfully connected. Let us verify the current user. See, we have connected to MySQL by using James user. Now try to switch to bank database. See, we are unable to connect because we have created user, but we haven't granted any privileges to this user on this database. That's why we are unable to access. Okay, exit. Now we will see how to start and restart MySQL server on Rocky Linux 9. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. See, MySQL is running, so stop it. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL D. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is stopped. Let us start it again. Also, we can verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -p. See, cannot connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is running. Now restart the MySQL server. Sudo systemctl restart MySQL D. It is done. See, we have restarted 2 seconds ago. Until now we have connected MySQL by using command line client. We can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench and dbeaver. Those are the most popular tools. Okay, you can search for my YouTube channel or go to this video description. There you can find how to install MySQL Workbench and dbeaver on RHEL or Rocky Linux 9 versions. So the last step is go to home directory, cd downloads ls. We have successfully installed MySQL server. So these files are not required anymore. So remove them. rm star.rpm lsc. We have removed all the extracted RPM files. Also remove this tar file. rm MySQL, use the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Ls, see, we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL 8.0.41 on Rocky Linux 9 versions. For more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.